What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Today we're going to show you how to install a Tusk SubZero plow mount on your 2019 and newer Honda Talon. It's going to be the same process for the 2 and the 4-seaters. Keep in mind that the SubZero plow mount is only going to work with the Tusk SubZero push tube and plow. Now if you need help assembling those other items, we have a separate how-to video for that, so check it out. But for now, let's go ahead and get started. The plow mount kit comes with all the necessary hardware and brackets to get the job done. I've gone ahead and laid out everything in order. You also want to refer to the instructions that come with this kit throughout the process. To do this job, you're going to need a 10 and 15 millimeter socket. We also have a 13 millimeter combo wrench and an alignment punch. To start out, we've driven our machine onto some ramps. It's going to make the process easier. The next step is to remove the front section of the skid plate if you have one installed on your machine. There's several holes stamped into the bottom of the machine, and our next step is to install bracket A so it lines up with these two very most forward holes out of these 3 sets. And this is the wider bracket. And we'll do the same thing with bracket B just behind our bumper. The next step is to hold the plow mount into place and install the 4 M10 by 25 millimeter bolts. The next step is to install the left and right support brackets. You'll notice the taper on the bracket is going to face towards the front of the machine, and you're going to use the 4 M8 by 25 millimeter bolts, and on the bolts coming straight up through the bottom, you're going to install the M8 nuts on top. Now that we have all the hardware loosely installed, we can go back through and tighten it all down. And that's all there is to installing the Tusk SubZero plow mount on your 2019 and newer Honda Talon. If you need one of these plow mounts, they're available on our website. And if you have any questions about the install process, leave those down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Thanks for watching.